Welding is known as the industrial tailor. It is an indispensable part of the industrial production process. International shortage of welding workers. Recruitment is difficult and costly. How should companies respond? Manual welding has low efficiency and high work intensity. Some companies are beginning to try to use welding robots to solve this problem. But most welding robots on the market need to be taught. Low teaching efficiency. Capacity is blocked, especially in steel structure buildings, ships, bridges, and other industries. Non-standard small batch workpieces are more. It is not suitable for teaching to complete welding. How can companies break through the situation? BOCHU's intelligent welding system, digital twins, robot kinematics, visual technique, bus system, welding process library. 5 core technologies of welding process library for the welding application field. Deeply developed all-in-one solution. It's based on a 3-dimensional model and expert library-driven offline programming. Achieved free teaching. Automatic generation of location finding and welding paths can be achieved. Continuous welding. Angle welding. Multi-layer multi-channel. Sheet laps. Butt welding. Complex curve. Automatic locating. Welding tracking. Automatic initial positioning. Able to handle workpiece deformation flexibly, adapting to complex and changing application environments. Efficiently complete the processing tasks of small batches of non-standard workpieces. The current BOCHU intelligent welding system FSWELD. It has begun to be applied to steel structures, power towers, ships, bridges, and other industries. Suitable for more than 10 kinds of robots including KUKA, Kawasaki, etc. As the core brain of the robot. All the key technologies of the BOCHU intelligent welding system, all self-developed, able to respond quickly to demand. In the digital twin scenario, process the workpiece model, simple operation, automatically generate motion trajectories, fast welding. The future has come. Unstoppable. BOCHU will continue to improve and develop intelligent welding systems, systems refinement and research and development, building a smarter super brain for industrial tailors.